says, so I'm curious exactly what you mean by a billet center section. Like, would a Willie's Carb have a billet center section?
Yeah, all of Willie's stuff now, like his, other than something that requires a Holly style center section, which would be, currently like the HP style center section, all of his stuff is going to be the billet center section.
Now, with billet, that means CNC machines.
It's billet aluminum CNC machine.
Instead of being cast.
Correct.
Yes. So that's really the biggest difference. And when we cast something and put it into a mold, I mean, there's just going to be a different way with the amount of pores and that kind of thing.
Yeah, I mean, there's basically two people making billet center sections right now that I'm aware of. I mean, it's the only two people I'm aware of. It's going to be either Willie, which he makes his own because he's, I mean, that dude's like 100% in-house, and BLP, which pretty much BLP sells their center section to everybody else who's not Willie.
Yeah. Yeah. The independent producers, independent carb guys. Yep.